Good morning children, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to discuss worksheet 4, 5 and activity. Children, have you completed your homework? Okay, so let's begin worksheet 4. First we learn grammar, describing words. Do you remember this word? You have already learned in course book. Describing words means the words that describe nouns. So here you can see some pictures are given. You have to tick the words which describe them. Next exercise is also about completing the sentences with describing words. Here you can see the picture of clown. You have to describe this clown with the help of the words given in the box. Next we move to the spelling section. That is, each sentence below has one word with incorrect spelling. You have to underline which is that spelling and correct their spelling. Next we move to punctuation. Here you can see that every sentence begins with small letters. So you have already learned that sentences begin with capital letters. So first you have to correct that. Not only that, there are some names also begin with small letters. So that also you have to correct and rewrite the sentence. Next we move to writing section. In page number 26, you can see 12 sentences. You have to match this one and make a story. And write this matching sentences right in this given space. Next we move to the worksheet 5. Here you can see one comprehension. You have to read the story and answer the questions which is given at the end of the story. So children, you have to read it carefully. Here you can see that you have to underline the part which gives incorrect information. So after reading this comprehension, then only you can find out which is the incorrect information in the sentences. Next exercise is about learning words. That you have two columns here. You have to match the words that have similar meanings. Next we move to grammar section. So do you know which are these words? Am, is, are. They are helping verbs. They are helping the main verbs in the sentence. Where do we use am? Am is used with I, is used with singular nouns, and are used with plural nouns. So here you can see picture of Rashi's family. Rashi is describing what her family is doing in the picture. With the help of the words given in bracket, complete the sentences using am, is, are. So you can see the picture here. Here you can see the description of that picture. So you have to use helping verbs plus the main verb which is given in the bracket and add ing with these words in the bracket. For example, I am Rashi, this is my family. Look at my dog Rocket, he is sitting. Because he is singular, so we use is sitting. We add ing with the word sit. Like that you have to add ing with the verb in the bracket and also use helping verbs. And next section is answer these questions about what is happening now. Do it as a homework. Next we move to the writing section. You can see that one paragraph about how John is talking about a dream he had. He is describing it as if it is happening now. So same way you have to write a dream you recently had and write it down. That also do it as a homework. Next we move to activities 1. So children, remember that this is only for revision purpose. You have to just understand these exercises. First is, you can see here some pictures are given. You have to fill this with articles. Do you remember which are the articles? A and the. You have to use a or an here and also match the following to make full sentences. Next we move to exercise 2. Here you can see you have to tick against the correct sentence by looking the pictures given here. Next exercise is about using describing word. You have to look at the pictures and think of a describing word for each picture. One example is already given, tall man. So like that you have to find out the correct describing word for each picture. And next exercise, you can see that there are some sentences given here that are jumbled. Each sentence about one of the 4 pictures that you see. Match the sentences with the pictures correctly. These sentences are not in order, so you have to match them with the pictures. Next, we move to the last exercise. You have to find the names of animals and insects given in the box in the word grid. You can also shade like this. Find out where are these animals in this word grid. Do this also as a homework. So children, hope you understood the exercises of worksheet 4 and 5. Also try to do activities by yourself. Complete your work before the exam. Next week we will continue our course book. Till then, take care. Thank you.